In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts to Brevo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a contact list from a spreadsheet into your Brevo account with confidence and accuracy. First, sign into your Brevo account. Make sure you're in the right workspace if you manage more than one, and confirm you have the permissions to manage contacts. It's a small detail, but starting in the correct account prevents headaches later. Once you're in, head to the Contacts section. This is your hub for everything related to your audience. From here, we're going to use Brevo's import tool so you don't have to add people one by one. Click Import Contacts. This opens a guided flow that walks you through the process. If you're deciding between manual entry and importing, choose Import anytime you have more than a handful of contacts, or when you already have a list in a file. Next, upload your file. Brevo accepts CSV and Excel formats, so choose the version you have on hand. Before you select the file, it helps to give it a quick check. Make sure each contact is on its own row, with clear column headers like email, first name, and last name. Remove any empty rows, merged cells, or formulas that could confuse the upload. If you're including phone numbers, add the country code for consistency. Special characters are fine, but saving your file in UTF-8 encoding often prevents garbled text. Clean, well-labeled columns make the next step much smoother. After the file uploads, you'll see the field mapping screen. Here you match each column in your file to the correct contact field in Brevo. If your header names are clear, Brevo may auto-detect them. Double-check that email is mapped to the email field, and verify names, phone numbers, and any other details are aligned properly. If a column isn't relevant, you can choose to ignore it so it won't be imported. Some imports also let you decide how to handle duplicates, such as updating existing contacts when the same email is found. If you're unsure, the default settings are usually a safe choice. When everything looks good, click Import. Brevo will process the file, and you'll see a confirmation when it's done. If there are any skipped rows, review the summary so you can fix formatting and try again if needed. Then return to Contacts to spot check a few records and confirm the details imported as expected. That's all it takes. Log in, go to Contacts, start the import, upload your CSV or Excel, map your fields, and finish the import. You're ready to reach your audience in Brevo.